Welcome to the post-pandemic world, where more and more people are working from home. But how do you make that transition as seamless as possible? A clearly defined workspace is one way. Not only will you be more comfortable, but it can actually help you be more productive. The tough part is deciding what's the best flooring for your home office space. Well, there are a few questions and answers from the experts at Flooring Direct to help make it a little easier. What sort of furniture will you require to do your work? If you have a rolling chair or other rolling furniture, you'll definitely want a nice smooth floor such as wood or vinyl. Will you be doing Zoom calls, during which sound modulation will be important? A large area rug or wall-to-wall carpeting that can help cut down on noise are both great options. Will you be standing for extended periods of time? Thick and impact-reducing floor mats can make standing a lot more comfortable. And finally, will your work area have multiple functions? If at all possible, try not to make your workspace double as a playroom for your kids. But if you absolutely have to, don't worry. The experts at Flooring Direct will be able to provide you with some great options. Bottom line, you're not the first person to need a workspace in your home. And the experts at Flooring Direct have been helping homeowners with their at-home work area for years. So visit us today at flooringdirectdfw.com, because work from home flooring shouldn't be a lot of work.